For this recipe, you will need a mixing bowl, measuring cups and measuring spoons, a mixing spoon, and a mug. If you don't have all of these, that's okay, use what you have at home. The ingredients you will need for this recipe is a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of blueberries. In a bowl, mix together your flour, sugar, and baking powder together until well combined. Add in your milk, butter, and vanilla extract and mix until your batter is smooth. Your 1/4 cup of blueberries and mix it into the batter. Once your blueberries are mixed in, transfer your batter to your mug. Microwave for 1.5 to 2 minutes until it's done.